It looks like I won't be needing these fans anymore. The real estate market isn't as hot. It's actually cooling down. What's up, everybody? My name is Malachi, and I'm known as the Realist Realtor. I give it to you real, backed by facts. Today, going over another real estate market update. And as I promised in the previous videos and previous market updates, as soon as I see a change in the market, I would bring it to you first and bring it to you real, backed by facts. So let's get started with the real estate market update for the city of Riverside. We're going over the numbers for April 2022, and the year-over-year change will be a percentage from April 2022 versus April 2021. How many houses went on to the market in April? 354, which is down 15.3%. How many went pending? 256, which is down 29.3%. How many closed? 323, which is down 6.1%. Again, that's from last April. And now the average sales price went up to $663,991, which is up 16.2%. Moving on to the LA County city, which is Lakewood. We take the Lakewood average sales price, which was $870,927, which is up 19%. How many houses went onto the market? Was 89, which is down 12.7%. Now, how many houses entered escrow and went pending? Was 61, which is down almost 13%. And lastly, how many homes actually closed in the city of Lakewood in the month of April? Was 65, which is down 11%. So you can still see we're still trending on the same numbers. But what wasn't presented there are how many days the houses are staying on the market. Also, the amount of homeowners that are selling their homes that had to lower their price to obtain an offer. Those numbers have been interesting. So one of the things that is contributing to that is an increase in inventory. We're finally starting to see homes come onto the market. It's increasing slightly, but still not enough to where we were pre-pandemic levels. Interest rates are also causing restraint. These interest rates spiked relatively quick. And although they're still low in terms of historically, people are starting to get pushed back. So now that $500,000 home, instead of being at 2.5%, 3%, is now at 5.5%. They no longer qualify for that $500,000 home. Now, what you'll see on the screen is from a really great company called Keeping Current Matters. And they follow a lot of real estate trends and also compile data, which they study and analyze. And thankfully for us, we have this easy to read chart. If you take a look, they have the mortgage interest rates on the side and the home loans on the top. And down in the middle of the squares is what the principal and interest payments would be for that purchase. And you could see already at 4 3/4 versus 6% is already a pretty significant change. So from that graphic right there, you can see with rising interest rates, it's already causing a lot of restraint for people and either making people leave the real estate market and no longer looking to purchase or look in a different area which is significantly cheaper. So again, I wanted to bring you these facts, these numbers, exactly what's happening so you have a good understanding. To answer everybody's question, is there a real estate crash coming? These numbers don't show a real estate crash. Again, the inventory levels are still at record lows. Yes, they're trending up, but we still haven't reached pre-pandemic levels. Second, there is still a large buyer pool that are still ready, able, and willing to purchase and can make it happen. So, with that being said, yes, we're seeing a cool down and it's starting to slow down. Houses are selling in 30 seconds, more like a few days. And also, instead of 20 offers on a house, we're only seeing maybe 5 offers, 10 offers on a property. So it's still competitive, but again, we are starting to see a cool down. As always, please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button if you appreciated this, if you appreciated the content. I will be putting out as much content as possible in terms of market updates so you can follow exactly what is happening and make a move when you feel is right for you. So please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you're alerted when these videos do come out. Again, I love and appreciate all of you. Thank you for the support, and I will see you next week.